It all began here in 1912 when Harry Brown and J.C. Haley founded the Brown and Haley Candy Company. The company struck gold in 1923 with Almond Roca. Sealed in an airtight pink tin, it became known as the candy that travels. During World War II, it was sent overseas with American soldiers. Now, it's enjoyed in over 35 countries. Freshness, great taste, and a 100-year tradition laid the foundation for today. Every piece of Roca Buttercrunch is still made here in Brown and Haley's historic factory. It starts with all-natural ingredients: California almonds, Washington state butter, real sugar, and pure vanilla. Master confectioners work magic, cooking the toffee center using a top-secret recipe. The molten toffee pours through pairs of cooling wheels until it's firm enough to form a slab. After cooling in tunnels, the slab is cut into ribbons and then chopped with a candy guillotine into its distinctive shape. At the same time, the chocolatey coating is being prepared. Each day, 10,000 pounds are melted for the chocolate enrober. The toffee centers float through two cascading curtains. Then the pieces tumble and dance in a shower of diced almonds for a nice, even coating. Now the product takes a ride to the wrappers. It takes 6 specially designed machines to keep up with the line, each wrapping over 420 pieces per minute. The result is a river of gold, 2.5 million pieces every day. In the packaging department, pink tins are filled with Roca Buttercrunch. A computer-controlled scale weighs and deposits just the right amount of candy. After filling, oxygen is removed and the tins are sealed to preserve freshness, ready to be shipped anywhere in the world. From large to small, Roca comes in a package just right for the occasion. Small packages for personal indulgence, canisters and tins for sharing, and elegant boxes for the perfect gift. It takes over 250 Brown and Haley employees to bring you all the Roca Buttercrunch flavors. Almond Roca, the original, is joined by Cashew Roca, Mocha Roca, and Macadamia Roca. In the company's centennial year, 2 new flavors launched: award-winning Dark Roca, made with luxurious dark chocolate, and special Peppermint Roca for the holidays. Whichever flavor you prefer, Roca Buttercrunch is always a special treat, made with great care and natural ingredients.